Alright, guys. Um, this will probably be the first video on the trading channel. Um, Name is Thomas. I don't really give a shit about it. I'm gonna cut that out. No, I'm not. I don't reset. Name is Thomas. I've been learning how to trade for I should probably pause the music. Learning how to trade now for too long. I'm 20. I trade the Nasdaq. Um, the point of this YouTube channel, honestly, is educational content and just a trade journal. I plan on making videos most days. I don't know if I'm gonna do it every day, but most days, and they're literally just gonna be for myself, and then you guys can learn from it. Um, I trade on Top Step. I have I started trading on one of one, but because I'm gonna be completely frank, they took too long with their payouts. So I requested one payout and I um, had to wait like a month and a half, and I was like, fuck this. So I went to Top Step, and I have nothing but nice things to say about Top Step. No problems. Um, so yeah, every morning I will come on here. I will live trade. No, I mean live trade, yes, but it's not a live stream or anything. I'll make the video and I will try and get it out. I'll do same day, but I don't know what time. To start, I have two Express accounts, two 50Ks, and then I have 150K that I'm trying to pass. Um, I'll show you guys my shit. I'll be completely frank. I don't really care. That's not what I wanted to show. So this is what I got. On most days, I don't have a set monetary value of what I try and make in a day. Besides 200, so it counts as like, with Top Steps rules. But I would say on average, I'm around 500 bucks. This was just a great day. I think this was one trade too. Why is it broken up into sizes like that? Oh, because I exited at different times, I think. I actually don't remember what happened Friday. I think it was just a great day. It says 8 trades, but it was really one trade. So this is the one account. We're at 1,500 bucks. This other one is at two something, 2,000. I try and keep my losses below 500. Um, I could go over like my trading plan and everything. Um, I don't have a set plan though. Like I'm not looking for. Well, I mean I am looking for this shit, but I don't have like okay. Find my bias. Look for a liquidity sweep or you know higher time frame for value gap getting reacted off of, and then break a structure or inverse. Like I don't have like a set check. I should, but with how I trade, I mean, and I'll show you guys. I just, I mean, of course, I look for liquidity sweeps. I look for higher time frame imbalances. Um, Breaker structures and inverses, but I don't have like a set trading plan where it's like bam, 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 enter. A lot of it's also just intuition. I'm gonna be honest. So right now, um, I start because it's a Monday. Let me look at the weekly. We're at all time highs on both. Is this weekly too? Yeah. So we're at all time highs on both. Okay. Trading at all time highs is a little bit interesting. We reacted off its daily imbalance and we took all time highs. Okay, so how I'm gonna start trading now is I'm gonna scale down. Let me just look. Let me just take a peek at the 4 hour. Okay. Um, shit, looks like we have an S&T already. Yeah, no, we don't. Oh, yeah, we do. We do have an S&T. This is what I do every morning. I check and I see what the fuck's going on. And I start on higher time frames and then I work my way down. This is an S&T. Um, Nasdaq took this high and ES hasn't yet. Kind of. Yeah, no, we did. So that's what I'm seeing. And we also have this 4 hour inbounds here, which actually we might close above, but still. So now we just scale down. I'm gonna keep this S&T in mind. Um, okay. Alright, to start, let me see how the other sessions were. Asian, we kind of just went sideways, accumulated orders. Maybe London, we manipulated higher, swept out liquidity, and now New York, we're going to get some downside. Confluence is for that right now, is we do have an SMT that would support that. Asian, kind of manipulated, London, or Asian accumulated orders, London manipulated higher, formed an SMT. So actually, I'm kind of, I don't know, because at the same time, we're in a 30-minute fair value gap too, actually. So I'm gonna go into today with no real bias. I'm gonna be honest. Like I wouldn't mind shorting, but like 8:30 open, we went sideways, and now we're coming down. Okay, so we're gonna see what happens. The goal today. Normally, I wouldn't. That's not what I wanted to do. Open a new window. Get my 150K combine. Get this on Nasdaq's. Shit. 4 contracts. Yeah. Let me cue this. All right, so this is on MNQ. Maybe. And this is on NQ with 4. Okay. So that's what we have. I'm not really gonna mark at it. Normally, if I had a bias, I would mark out shit. Like if I was shorting, I would mark out key, levels I want to take profits at. But I really don't know what the market's gonna do. I'm gonna be honest. I'm kind of leaning towards. I'm kind of leaning towards short. Maybe until I don't know. It's the start of the week. We're at all-time highs, so I don't know. Check for news. We've got news at 9:45. Well, I feel like I checked this last week and I was not there. I thought there was 8:30 news. All right, we have news at 9. So we're not trading until after 9:45 because 15 minutes. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. Or am I fucking leaking anything? No. Am I gonna? I was trying to see about my shit. Um, this whole week looks pretty good. Maybe not Wednesday. What I'll do, I'll trade Monday, Tuesday. I'll request a payout on Wednesday from one account maybe. Because I'm probably not going to trade Wednesday. Because Wednesday looks a little crazy. Maybe I'll trade on the 2 accounts. But like on this Express account, I'll request a payout. So when you request a payout from TopStep, say your balance is 3,000, you could only request 50% up until you have 30 green days or 30 winning days of $200 or more. And I'm not at that yet, so I could only request 50%, which is fine. Because I'm gonna be honest, uh, it goes to 100%, and they pay you out within a matter of a few days, sometimes even like a day or two. But so say I have a balance of 3,000, the most I could withdraw is 1,500, but then your MLL, which is your maximum loss limit, and if it goes below that, you lose your account. That becomes your balance. So right now it's at zero, so I could lose $2,000 basically. But say I request a payout right now, and I withdraw 1,000, my MLL still is zero, but I only have $1,000 to lose. Actually, it's zero, I think, because it's at 2,000. If I go to this one, it's at negative. So the most you can lose is 2,000, and it kind of moves with your balance. But if you request to pay out, it becomes zero no matter what. So you could have 700 bucks in here, and you could only lose 700 bucks if you took out a payout before. Which is why I kind of want to have around $2,000, I think, of wiggle room. Because I'm gonna be honest, on some days, sometimes like the most I would risk on a trade is around maybe 20 points, and then with 10 micros, 10 times 20, that would be 400 bucks. And if I take two trades, that's 800 bucks of loss right there. So theoretically, that would be the most I would lose, which I would only have two losing or four losing trades, and I would be less than that. That's actually way too much risk. A lot of the times I'm not risking 200 or 20 points. I'll be risking about 15 points, which would be 300 bucks, which is about right. And sometimes I'll be risking 10 points, 15. It's around 15 points up. If I have two losing trades, I'm done. On the express accounts, at least, I'm done. Two. If I have a winning trade, the market conditions are nice. I'll take another trade on one account, which is why one balance is higher than the other one. But if I have like two losses where my bias is complete, like I'm just reading price wrong, I won't trade. But if I'm fucking up on entries and shit like that, and I'm getting stopped out for like 10 points, 5 points, shit like that, I'll enter more than two trades. It just depends, shit like that. But I'm gonna be honest. Let me mark out open. I like to do that too. I like to mark out 9:30 open and 8:30. I would mark out 8:30. I mean, I still am, but I'm not gonna be trading because I could see that price is indecisive. It came down. Bam, we're going a little bit lower now. Who knows where we're going to? I mean, we have these fair value gaps here, but what I will do is I'll mark out London low. It's kind of close to Asian, so I'll just keep it as one. Is this also like an hourly low or something? Yeah, and I'm gonna mark out that. Because that's a 1 hour low. Uh, Let me mark out the same shit. I'm honestly looking for shorts, but I'm open to longs. Let's play music. Important changes to your debit card. Huh? I have the volume a little bit low so you guys can still kind of hear me. This audio might be fucking trash. I gotta fix it, but whatever. So at this point, see how here it's about, what is this? 8 points. Actually, that's not really a lot. I could delete this. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna just keep that one. Um, I'm chilling until market opens. Um, Actually, I'm chilling until past 9:45. But right now, if I had to take a gander, I'm gonna say short until I'm gonna say short until around here, which is I think in line with this hourly fair value gap. Yeah, I'm gonna say short until around here. Once we get to down there, we might, go up. That's what we got. These are ready. Let's mark out 9:30 on it, which is right there. Okay. You see how in the pre-market we're not really moving? All right. I don't know what the fuck these YouTube. Oh, these are my channels that I was trying to do. I don't know what the fuck that one is. And then this is not updating. Here it is, baby. I asked ChatGPT to make me a thumbnail, not a thumbnail, like a profile picture. And this is what it came up with. Guys, we're gonna be learning together. I've been trading honestly for. I'm in my third year of college, um, and I've been trading since high school, like senior year of high school, I think. When I was actually trading, I started off with options, but I want to say it was senior year of high school. So that was 3, 4 years ago. So I've been learning to trade for about 3, 4 years. And I'm just now at a point where I have funded accounts and I'm getting payouts. And it took me 3, 4 years. But it's so worth it. It's trading. What do they say about trading? Trading is the hardest way to make easy money. And they're not fucking lying. All right, chat. So I'm in a trade right now. Price action has been really shit. I might just even take just 270, man. I'm really gonna be watching this. How many points is this? That's 20. That'd be 400 bucks. I'll take off some here. I'm not gonna lie. This one I would like to get a few thousand, but like I could do a limit sell for one here. Limit sell, we'll do like five. Do some there, and then once we hit that, we'll move the stops to break even. But with the price action, guys, heads up. These 2 weeks.
Order filled.
Okay, sweet. I'm going break even. Um, these two. Now I might just let this bitch kind of ride.